A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Oregon, at 2:34 am on APR 23rd, 2024 effective until 3:34 am. The Washington State Police has requested activation of the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert for Oman Hazar. The victim was taken from Ridgeland, Washington at 04/21/2024, 5 p.m. The suspect was driving a 2009 silver Toyota Corolla, license plate CBZ4745, Washington, last seen possibly headed to Mexico. The suspect has been identified as Elias Hazar. Suspect is described as 5 feet 6 inches with a medium build, brown hair, wearing black hat, black long sleeve, light blue jeans, black shoes. The victim is 1 year old and last seen wearing unknown. If you have any information about this incident, please contact the Oregon Amber Alert tip line at 1-866-5-AMBER 51866-526-2375 or call 911. This has been an activation of the Oregon Emergency Alert System.